Steam cleaners are devices that generally create steam by heating water and can use this steam for cleaning tasks. These devices are used to clean and sterilize surfaces and dissolve oils and dirt by creating steam under pressure. Since steam cleaners use water vapor, they reduce the use of chemicals, provide deep cleaning, can be used on different surfaces, and benefit sterilization. In this video, we will review steam cleaners that are popular and worth buying. With its brand scope, Karcher is one of the highest quality and important brands in the steam cleaner category, and its products are highly preferred. The Steam Vacuum SGV application machine of the Karcher brand can reduce energy consumption with eco-efficiency mode, while also helping to reduce the sound level in sound-sensitive areas. One-touch activation of all functions ensures simple and quick startup of operations. SGV offers powerful steam and simultaneous suction features with 8 bars pressure and 5 clean dirty water tanks. In this model, cleaning can also be done with detergent, thanks to the detergent reservoir. Another unique feature of this model is that the suction system has a self-hygienic feature. A sufficient number of hand and floor tools provide a variety of applications depending on the surfaces to be cleaned. Water, steam, and pressure settings can be made from the handle. It has sustainable and outstanding cleaning performance, particularly high steam pressure, 8 bars, hot water temperature approx. 70 degrees Celsius and has excellent suction power. It cleans the most stubborn dirt easily, quickly, efficiently, and without using chemicals. It is a long-lasting, robust, and therefore very economical machine. It has an easy operation rotary switch with 7 operating modes. It is particularly user-friendly thanks to self-explanatory symbols. There is no need for time-consuming induction, steaming, vacuuming without eco, efficiency mode, and self-cleaning machine. On-off button, cold water, use with detergent, rinse steam suction hose with steam suction gun. Features a particularly user-friendly rotary and pressure switch to control various functions. It offers 3-stage steam flow control, cold and hot water operation, and simultaneous vacuuming time saving. The mode can be set during operation. There is no need to interrupt the cleaning process. Convenient display. The operating status is displayed on the screen as text or bar graph service information regarding specified maintenance intervals, such as descaling. Practical error screen informs users instantly and saves time. Eco-efficiency mode, high cleaning performance with reduced suction power. Thanks to its low operating noise, it is suitable for use in noise-sensitive areas. This means nightly cleansing practices are no problem. Either integrated accessory storage. Accessories such as nozzles or round brushes are always at hand. All accessories are kept clean and safe during transportation. The power cord is stored securely at the back of the unit for transport. Able to heat water to a bacteria-killing 135 C and can be used on everything from tiled floors and oven doors to sofas and car interiors, this corded steam cleaner fares well compared to its rivals. The clean white cube looks refreshingly compact compared to most models that typically resemble small vacuum cleaners. A closer look reveals that the basic features are built in. The low-profile handle slides out from the top of the cleaner, and a circular lid unscrews to reveal the reservoir, which will hold 1.6 L of water, enough for a 50-minute cleaning session. It has such a large capacity. Plus, features are superheated steam reaches 275 degrees Fahrenheit and quickly dislodges dirt and grease, has a handle and wheels making it portable and easy to maneuver, includes extension wands, microfiber pads, and attachments for whole house deep cleaning. The McCulloch MC 1375 portable steam cleaner lets you apply steam to loosen and otherwise break down perennial stains on outdoor furniture, degrease an entire grill, or remove adhesive residue from vinyl tile. Of course, steam cleaning is nothing new, but the McCulloch steam cleaner promises to be easy to use, affordable, portable, and comes with a variety of attachments to handle jobs on metal, nylon, plastic, paint, vinyl, and many other materials. It has one of the largest juice capacities in the category, 48 ounces, 1 42 liters, which gives it a long 45-minute runtime despite making a lot of steam. In fact, steam expands to 1,600 times the volume of water, so 45 minutes, about 35 grams 1 ounce per minute, means huge amounts of 43 psi steam, a much higher volume than most competitors. The handheld cleaning tool uses water to create steam that can thoroughly clean almost any hard, non-porous surface, from grout lines to large appliances. Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe is a handheld steam cleaner and disinfectant that can be used for a wide range of seasonal and deep cleaning jobs. There are some drawbacks and safety concerns, but ultimately, Steam Shot is an incredibly powerful cleaning tool, especially for use on grout. Adding to how effective Steam Shot is at cleaning grout, it does so using just water and electrical power. The Steam Shot's sanitizing properties make it a tool that can steam children's toys and sports equipment, as well as pet toys, beds, food/water bowls, and crates. The Bissell Steam Shot Deluxe comes with a ton of deep cleaning work, as well as appliance maintenance, sanitizing bathroom fixtures, and scrubbing grout. Steam Shot can also be used to steam clothes and, if the upholstery can be safely wet cleaned, for furniture such as sofas, armchairs, and mattresses. The Eubank Steam Dynamo is a multifunctional steam cleaner from the manufacturers of one of the world's first carpet sweepers, the forerunner of household vacuum cleaners. It's as good at cleaning floors as some dedicated steam mops we've tried, and offers plenty of other functionality on top of that. So, if you love the idea of cleaning your home with nothing but the power of steam, this will help you eliminate germs from any surface. It can even be used on upholstery and carpets. Family homes that need a steady burst of steam to beat off germs and nasties. The nifty little cleaner does stellar work at tackling everyday grime, but if you're someone who gives up on cleaning until the dirt becomes very ingrained, you might need something with a more industrial level of strength. Comes with 2X extension tubes, floor cleaning tool, angle adapter, straight adapter, glass cleaning tool with squeegee, small nylon bristle detail brush, larger nylon bristle detail brush, nozzle, funnel, and jug plus microfiber floor cloth accessories. It has a capacity of 1.5 L. It cleans and sterilizes without any chemicals tested on many filthy areas in homes such as luxury vinyl tile flooring, ceramic tile flooring and grout, moldy sealant around baths and showers, shower screens and soap scum in the bathroom. The Dynamo product has dealt with the messes ultra well and passed the tests. Dynamo, which draws attention with its powerful cleaning feature and easy use, offers a product that is appreciated by users. Thanks to its small and removable parts, the product offers ease of storage at home. Hot pressurized steam heats up to 200 degrees F and features an optional steam trigger. If you want to do the choosing yourself, here is a list of all our steam cleaner reviews. Be careful not to get too hung up on the details. While no steam cleaner is perfect, most steam cleaners are great enough to please almost everyone, and the differences are often unnoticeable unless you're actually looking for them. Thanks for watching.